we're here with Mikko Nakiri from the Backup Exec Product Management team to talk to us about Backup Exec 15 and the VMware platform and some cool integration features and benefits that our customers gain from that relationship. Is that right, Mikko?
That's it in a nutshell.
Right.
Thank you, Bill.
Sure.
So what I'll be covering here is about our deep integration to vSphere and VMware side overall. And let me just start off with a little bit of history. We've been working together with VMware for a good part of probably something like 16 years. And we've had integration on VM level, on the host level, since Backup Exec 12.5, which is about 7 years ago now. And it started with the console level backup, and after that we started adopting the first API that was the VMware Consolidated Backup Framework, so VCB. After that, VMware then updated the APIs to vStorage APIs for data protection, which is the latest API as well that we're using with the VDDK and VADP version 6. So vSphere 6 also is supported by Backup Exec 15, including also the new storage methods or storage technologies in vSphere 6. So the Virtual SAN 6 and Virtual SAN 5.5, and also the virtual volumes are supported by Backup Exec 15. So what are some of the other updates from VMware side? VMware also updated their security for their certificate management on vSphere environments. And what that means is that they have a enhanced certificate authority, so you can actually specify better the security for your VMware environments, and Backup Exec 15 fully supports that as well. And that becomes more and more important once you start kind of having a broader private cloud or public cloud environments and having actually access from the outside to your vSphere environment. So you want to be able to protect your business critical workloads, your data on your environment. So certificate handling and certificate management is an important piece there. So what I'm going to cover here now is the methods how we integrate on the virtual machine backups with Backup Exec 15. So here on the right you have a virtual SAN, or it could be a regular SAN as well. We work with both. We have a data store here that has a couple of virtual machines, and we have a ESXi host that those VMs are connected to. And what we do on Backup Exec side is we basically issue a request to vSphere side. So we ask the host to give us a snapshot of the virtual machine we want to protect. We get ESX to capture that snapshot and send it back to us for processing. So it's basically sent over from the storage level directly, so we have a minimal impact on the actual host level. So that means that if you're running any business critical workloads, any VMs there, you will see almost no impact at all for your environment when we off-host the backups like this. Once you have the snapshots processed and delivered over to the backup server, we can choose whether we want to back it up to a dedupe store, disk, tape, an OST appliance, or even use the cloud like the Amazon Storage Gateway VTL. So there's multiple options for that. So that gives you a good understanding on the integration we have on VMware side, on the VADP level, and really that's the benefit as well that you get from VM level integration into the environment, that you can actually not only have better performance for your virtual machine backups, but it also gives you a additional DR options, so you can restore on the VM level. And additionally as well, you can kind of take full advantage of the integration that we worked on the VMware side.
So Mikko, that's great stuff. How might a customer know within the UI they're taking advantage of that deep integration you've been discussing with us? That's
a great question. So you know the best that whether you're protecting your virtual environments and VMware environments correctly, if you have a VMware ESXi or vCenter host visible on your Backup Exec UI. If you don't have a ESXi or vCenter host visible in addition to your VMs, then you know that it's not properly configured. So to be able to take advantage of the VM level backups, we need to target the host or the vCenter through the vCenter, and that's how the magic happens. So make sure that you have properly configured your environments for VM level backups.
All right, well that's great. Certainly a lot of deep integration with many benefits between Backup Exec and VMware, and that was a great explanation of all those features as well, Nico. So,
Sure.
great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.